Hello friends, welcome. Today we have brought one beautiful story and its title is A King and a Monkey. Once there lived a king who was fond of living with the monkey. He had a monkey as a friend. The monkey always helped the king honestly and heartily in his work. One day, the king was sleeping soundly. The monkey was looking after him very carefully. While the king was fast asleep, accidentally a housefly appeared there and disturbed the king's sound sleep. The monkey thought that he had to chase away the housefly at any cost. In order to provide the king with sound sleep, the monkey tried to chase away the housefly but could not do it easily. The housefly sat on the king's face. The monkey became very angry with the housefly and was determined to kill it. He picked up a sword to kill the housefly. He thought he would hit the housefly and heavily hit it. The housefly was sitting on the king's face. Unfortunately, the monkey hit the king with the sword and the king died on the spot. And the moral of the story is we should act wisely. Besides, a stupid friend is always fatal.